Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzel Create and welcome back to our breast cancer awareness collaboration. And as you guys know, there's a few ladies that are doing this collaboration. So if you guys have not checked them out, please go over and check them out. Now it is Becky Long, Mariann from Mariann's Crafting Corner, Buzzinwith Vee, Tree, Craft On, Maka'z Home, and myself that are doing this collaboration, and it is an awareness to Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So last week I told you guys a little story of how my mom kind of procrastinated and was trying to avoid going to get rechecked for her mammogram from a 6-month follow-up. She procrastinated and waited about 2 years. So as you guys know, there was a small a small spot that they had seen. They wanted to follow up in 6 months to see if there was any growth. She didn't follow up till 2 years later. By then it was almost about a dime size. So what happened in that visit? So after she was told that it was about a dime size, they asked her if she wanted to do a needle aspiration, which it only took so long amount of a time. So she went ahead and agreed. At this point I think I went blank. I'm not too sure if she was told of the results at that moment or they sent her to an oncologist. But I think I'm a little iffy on this part because, like I said, it was a big shocker. My mom hadn't gone. I was upset at her because, hello, you had to go. Why didn't you not follow up? Anyway, so long story short, she went ahead and was seen by a specialist. By then that they told her that it was malignant. Is that what it is? Anyways, so they offered her, at the specialist, they offered her option of having a mastectomy or having that section removed. To my surprise, my mom had already made up her mind and she said she wanted a mastectomy. Sorry, you guys. Anyways, yeah, she had already made up her mind. If it was cancerous, she just wanted to go ahead and take the whole breast off. They did offer her the option of taking both breasts off just in case, and she declined. She only had one. She only wanted one off, and they went ahead and I was with her at that appointment. They gave her different options. Another option, if she went ahead and did the mastectomy, they gave her an option of doing an implant. Basically, they were going to grow some tissue from certain area in her body, and we're going to replace it in her breast area. They were going to reconstruct the middle part. I don't want to say the middle part name, but you guys all know it's the areola and the part right there. They told her of course she was not going to have any sensation, or they could opt to also give her a implant where she just basically not an implant, a prostate. Sorry. Yeah, these are like, what? Anyways, these are things that come along. So unfortunately I had to go back home because I was on a vacation I was at, and this was all happening on my vacation. I had to go back home, so I was not there for the procedure. My sister kept on informing me of what was going on. So they did a partial mastectomy, and they checked her lymph nodes, I believe. And so good news, it wasn't spread throughout her body or anything, and it was just in that area. So yeah, so my mom, I think she went through medication. I'm not too sure how everything else went. Like I said, I was not around her in that when that situation was going on, but I know her recovery was a little, you know, time, like it takes time for her. It took time for her to recover. She couldn't lift her arm for a while. She, you know, she had to take precautions in certain areas. So anyways, that's my story. I do want to emphasize that you know, do your yearly mammogram checks, monthly. Check your breast. It doesn't take that long. It really does not take that long to check your breast monthly and yearly. You know, as some of you guys, if you guys heard me earlier in my earlier videos, I used to work for an OBGYN. So in order for a lot of patients, what they did was they scheduled their yearly mammogram and pap smear on the week of their birthday. So that was a reminder of them that, you know, follow up, check up, and, you know, get it done. So that way you're not, oh, did I get it done this month or that month? Because we did have patients that basically called and asked, like, when am I due for my yearly? So birthday wise was the best choice for a lot of patients. So just, you know, a heads up on that. Anyways, so what did I create this week? We were supposed to do an altered ribbon. Honestly, I did not have a thick enough ribbon. So my next option, I was like, I was talking to Tree and I was like, I don't know what to create. So it took me a while, and once it came to my head, that's when I went ahead and created it. So this is my first time doing quilling, so some of the stuff is on and off, so do apologize for that. So this is what I came up with, and this is my ribbon. Hopefully this, oh my goodness, it's all blurry. Can you guys see? Oh my goodness, after my whole story this came out blurry. Great. There you go. Better. So this is my I went ahead and did a photocopy of a ribbon, printed it out, went ahead and put cardboard behind it, as you guys can see. And I did have to paint it because my cardboard was, you know, cardboard, and so I had to paint it. So I went ahead and put a magnet here, and I went ahead and just did quilling. Basically that's all I did. I just quilled a whole bunch of, I think this is 3/4. No, it's less than the half. So I went ahead and cut a whole bunch of them. It was a 12 by 12 plus another half of a 12 by 12, and then I just went ahead and quilled it. And I used actually my tweezers because I couldn't find my quilling tool. And like I said, this is the first time I've done it, and yay. So this is a flower that Tree gifted me. These are some flowers that I had purchased, and this is a leaf that I that was given to me by Baby Craft. And then these gems right here, I went ahead and used the Dollar Tree pink gems. They kind of look white, but they are pink. They're a light pink, and this is what I came up with. So I do hope you guys like this, and do follow up with your, you know, doctor's appointments. Make sure if anything is wrong, make sure you go and get checked out. I will leave all the ladies down on the description below, so you guys could go ahead and watch their videos on what they created. Now I did say that I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this collaboration, and it will include most of the items that I have created. For this, I do require that you are a subscriber of mine and of all the ladies that are doing this collaboration. You comment on my video, you are 18 years or over, and for now I apologize for my internationals, but this is open for US. So I do apologize for my internationals again. And that is it today. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.